yeah. Oh, yeah. Now, that's what I'm talking about, all the way over to the West Coast, past the West Coast out there in those islands. I'm going to Google it and check out where that gentleman was, Joe. All right. All right, well, my radio, oh, yeah.
Go to my YouTube channel, Oscar, Jungle Joe C. Jungle Joe C, and you can see all the video gates. Yep, I do all the good stations on there, and you're one of the good stations.
Hey, man, I thank you. Tip my hat to you, man. I thank you so much. Took me a minute to get to this point. I do three amps, which a lot of the guys look down on, so yeah, I do 3 amplifiers.
They're working for you, buddy. I'm just working on my RCI 2970 DX right now. Handheld D104, pushing about 140 whiskeys.
I think we're doing, let's see. I'm doing 100 watts. Yeah, 100 watts. Got a 12 pill.
It's beautiful, man. Lighting up all the bars. I'm talking on an Antron 99. And yeah, you're sounding like a local still.
Hey, Roger, Joe, I got a 2517, which I found out is a Splash Master. So things change. I'll probably get a 7300 ICOM and yeah, we'll probably go from there, but 2517's been doing me great. Got it into a 1x2, into a 4, going into a 12, and just only running 200 amps, so I can't use its full, can't reach its full capability. Copy?
I tell you what, man, it's a nice, clean sounding station. You got a really nice, loud, clear audio.
Well, thank you, man. I gotta give you the same compliment flowers, but if I crank the audio up, I've been known as the Splash Master of the vicinity.
All right, Splash Master. Well, you're doing a good job. You're definitely, like I say, got them all down.
Hey, Roger, yeah. I was thinking maybe the guys thought I had me, that varmint. Yeah, it's a 3 amp. I've been looking at them online. I can't run into a varmint 1000. Gotta find this guy one. Yeah, it's Splash Master, but it's a talking piece of tube technology.
Varmint. I remember a guy wanted to sell me one of those. He had a Varmint for sale, 1980. It would have been about 1980. They've been around a while.
Yeah. I have a friend here. We got one guy who's a tube master. His name is Mark. I forgot his numbers, but yeah, just recently got his phone number, but I would like to put a look-see on him. He's full of, you know, Joe?
Oh, I know what you mean, man. Yeah, it's nice to put a little fire in the wire. I used to run a Chris Big Boomer, well over 40 years ago. 79, 1980, I had a Chris Big Boomer tube job, 600 watts. Right in front of me here, I got a Texas Star 350 high drive and a 500 high drive.
Hey, Roger. I started out with the Rocket Box, that California creation, man. Rocket Box, it was with the Montes, man. It was great until it fell off of my piano onto a positive terminal of the battery and exploded.
Oh no. Well, apparently there's a guy out in New Jersey that builds good amps. There's also Box Builders Idaho and then 307 amps. I think they're in Wyoming.
Yeah, I got a friend that deals with 307, but yeah, man, what I got, man, I love to put a big box, and I'm happy where I am. I drink a little bit and I do my long dead keys, and I don't burn nothing up because they had a nickname for me 2 years ago of burning up stuff very quickly.
You're having lots of fun. Life is short. Can you still hear me? Yeah, I was going to say, you're having fun and life is short. Good on you, man. Good on you. Anyway, I'll let you go. I won't tie it up too much longer, but check out my videos on my channel, and we will get this uploaded later on.
Hey, Roger, Joe. Hey, man, what a great pleasure talking to you on the side of the country. You even passed, but God bless again, man. Long life, good health to you, Joe, and I sure hope we speak again. From your buddy over here on the East Coast, 584. Yeah, they call me Dr. Strange. I'm going to be quiet after your final.
All right there, Oscar. Hey, have a good one, buddy, out there in the Garden State. That was a pleasure to talk to New Jersey. And we're going to talk again for sure. There's no doubt about it. We will meet again, buddy. Enjoy the DX while it lasts. I like this evening skip. It's just about 7 p.m. Pacific time here. Still nice and bright out here. We got lots of brightness coming through. And, well, we'll hear you again. This is 612 on the west coast of Canada, out in the southern Gulf Islands, reading the mail.
Hey, Roger, 612, I caught 75% of it as the conditions are changing. Signal dropped from a 9 now to just above going. I don't know if you can hear me. That crank my volume all the way up. Modulation makes a difference. I'll have the last word there, Joe. Well, all she were coming from the west coast, 58450 miles south of New York, west 15 miles north of Atlantic City, and we are living.
Cheers to you. Good character right there.
Did you ever come back?
Right on. Good evening skip right there. Just about 7 p.m. And beautiful evening. It's about 60 degrees out still, 60 degrees here on the island. Cheers. Thanks for watching. It's fading out now. It's starting to fade, the DX.
Spoke to that far before. Yeah, that's like talking to you. All right, Joe. Fade out. You made my day, and I will be bragging about this contact. You okay?
There goes the skip. Going. Bye-bye, Oscar. Cheers to you, buddy. Been a pleasure. 7 threes.